Hello everyone, Varun here. So many of you watching this video may be an engineering student or working professional, and you might be looking for a laptop or a specification for a laptop to run CAD/CAM softwares perfectly. In this video, I am going to disclose all the hardware requirements for running CAD/CAM softwares properly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me clear something up. Laptops with integrated graphics like Intel UHD or AMD Vega can run all these CAD/CAM softwares fine. The only issue would be the number of parts you insert, create and assemble. If you are creating 5-6 parts and assembling them, then these laptops can handle them without any crash. But if you are creating more than 20-30 parts and then assembling it, then there is an issue. I myself use my laptop which have dedicated graphics of MX130, which is not that powerful, but it runs all the CAD modeling softwares fine, and even I can do simulation as well. If you are a person who uses your laptop for professional use or living being, then the laptop category for you would be workstation. Workstation are very powerful laptops used for creating or modeling or simulation works. These laptops use a GPU called NVIDIA Quadro or AMD Radeon and have processors such as Xeon. So these are very powerful GPUs and CPUs, and I think such laptop would be better for you. If you are an engineering student, then I think a dedicated graphics laptop would be fine because you are not going to assemble more than 30-40 parts. So the laptops with I think GTX 1050 or 1650 would be fine for you, and even MX series of NVIDIA GPUs would be great for you. Also make sure that your laptop of minimum of 8 GB of RAM. More is always preferred, but less than 8 GB would be inadequate. For microprocessor, for engineering student i7, i5 would be great, and for engineering professionals Intel i9 or Intel Xeon is a great option. Talking about laptop, if you are a professional user, then the best deal for you right now would be Dell Precision 7540 or Asus Studio Book. If you want a video related to workstation and want to know more of workstations, then click on the I button or click on the video link in the description box. If you are an engineering student and want a perfectly balanced laptop, then at the moment Dell Inspiron 157501 is a great deal. It is below 1 lakh and can be used for CAD/CAM modeling, gaming, everyday use, and just a perfectly fine laptop. So hope you like our video. As always, if you have any doubt, do comment in the comment section below. I will try to answer them all. And don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay curious, my friends.